Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect ConvertKit to Zapier for email automations. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, log in to your ConvertKit account. Navigate to the ConvertKit dashboard. Click on the account icon in the upper right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, find and click on the API tab. Make sure the Generate API key is visible. If it's not generated, click on the button to create your API key. Copy the API key to your clipboard. Now, open a new tab and go to the Zapier website. Log in to your Zapier account. Once you're logged in, click on Make a Zap in the upper right corner. In the Trigger section, search for ConvertKit. Select ConvertKit from the list of available apps. Click on the button labeled Connect Account. A pop-up will appear requesting your API key. Paste the API key you copied from ConvertKit into the provided field. Click Yes, Continue. Now your ConvertKit account is connected to Zapier. Next, customize your trigger as needed and click Continue. After setting up your trigger, it's time to set up the action. Search for the app you want to connect to ConvertKit, such as Gmail or Slack. Select the action event you wish to perform, like send email or send message. Click Continue. Connect your desired app by following. Now, customize the action fields based on your preferences. Once you've filled in the necessary information, click Continue. Zapier will prompt you to test your Zap. Review the test results to ensure everything is set up correctly. If the test is successful, you're one step closer to automation. Finally, give your Zap a name at the top of the page. Toggle the switch to turn your Zap on. Your ConvertKit and Zapier integration is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.